did get the E85 flex fuel kit. Yeah, so we're gonna be installing this soon. Basically, I'm just gonna do like a chill POV video. The car is running absolutely beautiful, knock on wood, and I feel like I'm gonna rip my lip off. No, we made it. We made it. So basically the car has been absolutely perfect, so I haven't really been messing with it. It's probably around like mid to low 500s right now to the wheel. It's on 93 and like 19 pounds, and it's just been running so good that I really haven't been wanting to do anything. It's a lot. It's a lot to handle, especially if you're considering going from twins to upgraded single turbo kit. It's a different, completely different driving style. Like with the twins, you have instant torque down low, you spin. This one is kind of like there's nothing really before 3,000 RPM, and then once the turbo lights off, it's like, hold on. It's really I'd recommend, if the budget allows, even if you gotta wait, save your money for a couple months, I definitely recommend going to Speedtech kit, bottom or top mount. I've had this kit on for probably, I want to say, I think I put it on in July of 2020 or June, and the kit has been nothing but short of fantastic. No issues, no O2 sensor problems. I'm still on the original O2 sensors that I put on the car probably 4 years ago, and every time I drive it, I thrash it, I drive it. So I definitely recommend that kit. I'm running the Precision 6266 Gen 2 with a I think a 1.0 exhaust housing. Turbo kit. This car does have the ATM 3.5-inch single race exhaust with the Speedtech single turbo kit. It's very loud. It's a lot of drone. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's a lot. If anybody's in the Jersey area and looking to trade, if you have the stock 335 IS exhaust, leave me a message, because I'd like to trade my ATM race for the stock IS exhaust. to the okay. I'm gonna jump on the highway here, do a pull or two. Just again, it's a calm POV video. There's not much to update on the car. Nothing has really changed besides I'm going to be installing this very soon, and I'm going to be data logging all the information, new draggy times, and all that good stuff. Leave me a comment, guys. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the car. See if we can make something happen. couple rips. I had fun.